Alright folks, this is a Nissan Xterra Pro 4X, whatever 4X means. Let's do an air filter. Okay, show you how to do the air filter here. So here, even though it says K and N, do not discard, it's a lifetime air filter. Let's see what it looks like. This is a pretty simple air filter. It's only got two clips, one this way and one upside down. All right, and it's hooked on with 1, 2, 3 little prongs that poke into that hole. But if you notice, it doesn't fit very well. All right, especially in the middle. Might be that K&N filter, because those are like universal. Sometimes they're a little too fat for the box. But let's see. This is gonna come out. Mamma mia. This one's gonna pop up. Okay, this just lifts up out of the way. Ta-da! And there is the filter. It looks pretty dirty to me here, people. Let's see if I can hold this here. Just pop this out. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's filthy. See that? It's got to be cleaned. Even though they don't want you to throw it out, there is a kit that you buy. It's about $36. It's an oil cleaner, degreaser, like that. Check this out. Watch. I'm going to put this up to the, well, it's a cloudy day out, but you can see. You can see a little light out. See? And when it gets to the dirty part, it's clogged. See it? Don't see nothing. There's a light of day. All the way down there. Right, so this filter needs to be cleaned. Alright, otherwise, people throw it out and go buy yourself the original filter. It's roughly about 20 bucks, give or take. But you can see, yeah, a little beat up over here. Looks like it doesn't really fit too well in there. But that's it. Alright, see what the customer wants to do. They want to buy a new one or not. So for now, I'm going to flip it the other way because it looks like all the dirt is up on top. Unless it was flipped already. Let me see here. Okay, yeah, I can see the little grease coming in. So I bet you it was already flipped already. Because it makes sense that the greasy oil is on the bottom. When I took it out, it was on the top. You know, and you can see where the pinch marks is. So somebody must have reversed this already instead of cleaning it wherever she had this fixed at. All right, so basically, yeah, just going to throw it in there. Hold this up out of the way. See, I can flip it back around, so at least I put the clean side down. Put this in there. Yeah, I can see why these things don't fit perfectly. Alright, that's the way it's going to look. And it fit. Alright, and the 3 little prongs fit right there. 1, 2, 3. We're going to push them in and then click it on. Alright. I don't know if I can do this with my one hand here holding it, but we'll try. Alright, so just got to push it in, push it down. Put the clips on. Here. Put the clip on. There you go. That's it. Alright, so even though it says do not discard, they need to be cleaned, people. Need to be cleaned. Alright. And you look around and what else did I find? Whoever installed this battery never put this clamp back on. This nut was only up here and it walked the way out. So once it walks its way out, it could be very dangerous here. It can hit the positive cable here. It can fall out. The battery can move around. All right. Attention to detail, people. All right. Peace out.